my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this Valentine's Day makeup look using the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this palette, and I could not wait to do a fun, girly Valentine's Day makeup look using this palette. So if you want to know more about how I got this look, just keep watching. So I already have my face makeup done as well as my brows so that we can get straight into the eyes and the star of the show, which is the chocolate gold palette. So I'm starting out using a Morphe brush. This is just one that I got from a kit, so it doesn't have a number, but it's just a good fluffy brush, and I'm going in with the shade So Bougie in the palette. It's just a nice neutral brown shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition color, and I'm just going to start placing that just above the crease of the eye and just blend that in. Okay, so now I'm going in with another Morphe brush. This is the M433. It's just another blending brush. It's just a little more concentrated than the first one. And I'm going in with the shade Cocoa Truffle in the palette. It's just a darker brown shade. And I'm just going to start blending that shade in with that first transition color. I'm just placing this all along the crease and really concentrating it on the inner and outer corner of the eye. So next I'm using another Morphe brush. It is R37. It's just another blending brush. It's just a longer haired bristle brush. It's just perfect for blending in those two shades. Just trying to blend both of those in together so there's no harsh lines. So next I'm just using another Morphe brush that I got from a kit. It just provides a nice concentrated and more precise application, so it's perfect for that crease shade. And I'm going in with that black shade in the palette. It's called Decadent, and I'm just going to be using that on the inner and outer corner of the eye, being very light-handed when I dip that brush into that color because I don't want it to be too dark. And I'm creating a halo eye, so that's why I'm keeping it more on the outer and inner corner of the eyes. So I'm trying to be careful not to get too much of that in the crease of the eye. I want it to blend in with those brown shades. So I'm also keeping the center of the eye blank for that halo look, and I'm going to be later putting a shimmer color on that blank spot on the lid. So next I'm using another Morphe brush from a kit. It's just a flatter brush, perfect for packing on that lid color. And I'm going to be going in with the shade New Money in the palette. It's just this really pretty purplish pink color. It's a shimmer. And I'm just going to pack that on the center of the lid. And I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus to spray on my brush just to add a little more metallic look to that shade. I'm taking that shade all the way up to my crease, just trying to make that halo eye really stand out. So just to add a little more color to this look, and why not? There's so many shades in this palette, you might as well use as many as you can. I'm going in with the shade Classy and Sassy. It's just a really pretty light champagne pink color, and I'm spraying MAC Fix Plus on it as well. Next, I'm taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow, the glitters. I love these. These are so pretty. This is in the shade Kitten Karma. I'm just going to add a little extra glitter to the center of that eye. I'm just dabbing that on. I kind of wiped off the excess so it's not just a whole lot of glitter. I just wanted a little bit on the center of the eyelid. I'm going to take care of that bottom lash line, and I'm going in with an e.l.f. brush. It's just a short, bristled, flat brush, perfect for getting that lower lash line. And I'm going in the palette with that Cocoa Truffle shade, that brown shade. I'm just going to start placing that on the bottom lash line. Next, I am going to go in with just the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette, just so I can get a good inner corner highlight and a brow highlight. It has a good shade for that. It's called Pecan. It's just that shimmer champagne color. And I'm going in with another Morphe brush. This is the E36. It's just a little pencil brush. Really tiny, perfect for that inner corner highlight. So next I'm just going to blend everything together again using that same Morphe brush. Next, I'm going to go in with some e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. And I'm just going to put this just on the top lash line. I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that since we're doing the halo eye. So next I'm going to be using some NYX black eyeliner, and I'm just going to be putting it in the waterline. I'm going to be going in with some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. This is my favorite mascara. I'm just going to put that on my top lashes. Now for false lashes, I'm using just some Ardell Wispies and the Duo brand lash glue. So now that the false lashes have been applied, it is time for the lips. And I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipsticks. And I'm going to be using two different colors. I'm going to be using the shade Soft Spoken and the shade Tea and Cookies. So I'm going to be mixing both of these shades together, kind of like an ombre look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day!